In a town, not too far from here, there's an old shoe repairer's shop. The outside of the shop looks very run down and uncared for. Even the window needs cleaning. The front of the shop is where the shoe mender keeps all his tools. There he can repair the shoes and boots brought into him. When they're repaired, he places them on shelves ready for their owners to collect. Some people are very forgetful and never come back to collect them. Others bring in shoes and boots that are so worn they're beyond repair. He's asked to throw them away, but he just can't. There's a room at the back of his shop that's very dusty and full of cobwebs. The floor is covered with boxes and tea chests. There are shelves along the walls, and the shoe mender keeps all the forgotten shoes and boots in here. There are shoes and boots everywhere. Some have been here for years. This room has a very special secret, and only one person knows it. Who do you think that person could be? No, it's not the shoe mender. The only person who knows the secret is me. Can you keep a secret? Can you? Promise? Very well. I'll share the best-kept secret in the world, just with you. The door that leads to the back room doesn't fit very well, and every night when the shoe mender goes home, he has to slam it hard so it shuts. As the door slams shut, a cloud of dust fills the room, and as it settles, the strangest thing happens. Welcome to the magic world of the shoe people. We are now in Shoe Town. In this magic world, shoes and boots become real, just like you and me. Ah, here's PC Boot on his beat. He's just the person to show us around Shoe Town and introduce us to some of the people who live there. Would you mind, PC Boot?
Delighted, I'm sure. Right. Now, that house over there, looking like a circus tent, belongs to Charlie the Clown. Nice sort of fellow, to my way of thinking, but full of tricks.
Ova pak kuća pripada Skituljku. On, kao što možete primetiti, baš ne održava svoju kuću. Ovdje stanuje devetar Cokulić. Dobro jutro.
Dobro jutro.
On uvijek govori vrlo glasno, tačnije rečeno viče. Stalno zaboravlja da više nije u vojsci. U ovoj prelepoj kući stanuje balerina Pirueta. Zdravo, mile kučizmiću. Hoćete li čaja? Žalim, ne mogu. Na dužnosti sam, hvala. Šta sam ono htio da kažem? Da, u ovoj neobičnoj kući živi Šljapko Lokić. I on je sjajan momak, samo ima jednu manu. Obožava da se brčka. Zato i voli kad pada kiša. Gdje smo sad? Na kraju kod... Da, pa moja kuća. Evo dakle mog doma. Policijska stanica u ulici Cipela. Možda nije baš lepotica, ali svako voli svoju kuću. Hvala ti što si nas sproveo Cipelgradom, ali sad moramo da idemo. Bilo mi je zadovoljstvo. Eto, upoznao si neki od Cipelina i video gde žive. Sad možemo da se družimo. Ali zapamti, neko ovo ostane naša tajna. Jel važi?
Shoe people. Shoe people.